Stop scrolling because if you're thinking about buying from Kizija.com, this video could save you money. So Kizija.com is an online fashion store pushing trendy outfits, viral styles, and massive discounts that honestly look too good to be true. And that's exactly why so many people are asking, is Kizija legit or is it just another fake fashion website? Let's break it down, starting with the pros. The website itself looks clean and modern. The clothing styles are clearly inspired by popular Instagram and TikTok fashion trends, and the prices are extremely low compared to similar stores. For budget shoppers, that's a big attraction. Now the cons, and this is where the warning signs appear. When looking at customer feedback across forums and comment sections, multiple buyers report that the items they receive look very different from the product photos. Common complaints include thin or cheap fabric, sizing that doesn't match the chart, and shipping that takes weeks longer than expected. Some users also say that when they tried to request a refund, customer support was slow, unresponsive, or stopped replying altogether. That's a serious issue for any online store. Another red flag is brand transparency. There's very little public information about who runs Kizija, where the company is officially based, or any strong verified reviews from trusted platforms. For a fashion store taking online payments, that's risky. So is it real or fake? Kizija.com doesn't appear to be an outright confirmed scam, but it does fall into the high-risk category. You might receive something, but the quality, delivery, and refund process are a gamble. If you decide to shop there, use secure payment methods, avoid large orders, and keep your expectations low. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.